Hi guys, welcome back. I'm here to do a quick haul of this one. It is Mahab Nusuk by I don't know. By Mahab or Nusuk. I don't know. I don't know. But it is a inspired fragrance. I don't like to say which one because I've never smelled the OG. But if you know your expensive one, you'll know which one when I tell you the notes. Um, it says it is a floral fragrance for women and men. This is a new fragrance. Mahab was launched in 2025, so you're going to have to let this one sit. Top notes are fennel, incense, and red fruits. Middle notes are peach, osmanthus, and jasmine. Base notes are sandalwood, rose, and musk. You guys, I'm not so sure about this one. But apparently it makes you smell very expensive, and I don't even care about that. I care more about, and I guess this one is beast mode. And I do need some beast mode fragrances. The ones I have are gourmand, they're skin scents, which makes people come closer to you. But here's the box. She's pretty. Oh wow. Oh wow, look at the top. It's got like a glitter alligator in there. Why? It's pretty. I can already smell it. But I really like this bottle a lot. It's pretty. Definitely different, but that's why I like it. Pressurized. Nice. She smells good. Wow, that smells amazing. And I'm really in love with this one right away. I want to eat it. But I don't know. It's not like you don't smell like a specific dessert, but oh, it smells so good. That is it. And I can definitely see a man wearing it. And look, they put the little card with the notes on it. It says, Mahab unfolds with a vibrant symphony of juicy red fruits, ethereal incense, and a hint of fennel. Wow, I didn't think I would like it because of the fennel. I like it because of the fennel, I think. Creating an enchanting first impression, it absolutely does. At its heart, lush jasmine and sumptuous peach blend with delicate osmanthus resting on a sumptuous base of warm musk. Romantic rose and creamy sandalwood for a captivating, sensual experience. And that is what you get. This may be my signature scent. And right now it's Velvet from Victoria's Secrets. Bare suede vanilla is my signature scent. Maybe seasonally. This is not like a cold weather scent. This is going to be my spring signature scent. This right here, y'all, this right here. Run. Run. Because like I said in a couple of prior videos, y'all, I could cry. This is like a love story to me. This is like, because she's pretty, you want to eat it, but like you're not a dessert. You know what I mean? It's like, wow. It's she wants to be followed, and she wants you to obsess over her. This is that kind of fragrance. Oh my god, yes. Can you smell it in the box? You guys, this is this is. I didn't think I was gonna like it because that fennel and incense. I do like the incense note usually because it helps bring the fragrance together. So does musk. And so does a lot of weird ingredients. You're like, ew, if it smells like that, I don't want it. Usually it's in the background because it just smooths it out. I don't know how they do this magic, but this smells like heaven in a bottle. I don't know why I want to cry, but it's that good. It almost smells like, you know how Cabbage Patches, I've said this about something else, had like that real sweet scent to them. And so did a Strawberry Shortcake Doll, like her hair and her body. It reminds me of that sweet smell. But it's powerful. Those were like, you had to smell the doll. This, everybody around you is going to fall in love with you. Like, it's captivating. It is, damn, that is good. It's a good spring, summer, comforting scent. Like, it's not heavy and it's not cloying. It's a fruity gourmand or whatever you want to call it. But this is like all on its own. All on its own. Like, She's going to be, I have to take the ones that are for winter out of my cabinet because I don't have room. So I'm going to have to box them and put them in like a dark like box and box them up till the season rolls around again. But you guys, I don't really have words. I would say it absolutely is a safe blind buy. Just go look at reviews. And the bottle is just, it's stunning. You know me and glitter. Look at that. It just, it's a whole thing. I don't know. It's just, but you smell like that it girl. You know what I mean? You don't smell like an actual dessert, but you smell like sensually edible. And people are going to ask you what you're wearing if they don't know already. Because I guess this is like a 95% dupe of the expensive one. And the expensive one, I want to say is like $500. But y'all, this, and she's like a good color. You know how I like that orangish color and I love pink? Right in the middle, baby. Yes, you can absolutely fucking mix that together. Why did I do that? Love Potion number 69. I can't because they just fit so well together. Perfect fit, you know? When I just can't let go. I can't let go of it. I'm going to cry. It is that you are going to be that man, but you don't need to mix it with anything. Oh my God. But that is my scent review, guys. The Mahab, grab it. Grab it. That is my spring signature scent. I would say more spring than summer on that one. I don't know why, but the vibin' is like vibin'. Oh, it's vibin'. And I might mix that one. I might layer it with my Bare Suede Vanilla from Victoria's Secrets. And oh my God. Yeah. Check, please. That's the name of it. Check, please. Perfect, Thrive. Check, please. Please make sure you are subscribed to my channel. Hit that thumbs up button. Please hype this video. If you are not hyped enough, just push the hype button. It's free to do. You get 3 a week. Hit your bell notification so you're aware of when I go live because you guys, unfiltered Melissa, unedited, holy smokes. It is a whole nother moment. If you miss it, I'm sorry. You can go back at the end of the day and view it. I know it's just for the Mahab, but grab the Mahab. It's the best. Everybody was right about that one. When things are overhyped, I'm like, bullshit. That is my signature scent. But anyway, thank you guys again for being here. Thank you for your time. And join us Friday, 7 p.m. Pacific for trivia. And I will see you guys later. Love y'all. Bye.